complete the assignment TCEA 2018 mystery message. The first thing you need to do is click the open button and open the lesson. The instructions are to click on the link below. It will make a copy of the mystery message. Follow the instructions below the message to reveal the image, and then close the tab and click Turn In. So I'm going to click right here on this link, and here's your mystery message. The instructions are down here at the bottom. Use the fill color tool, that's this paint bucket up here, in each lettered cell with the corresponding color indicated below the letters of row 1. So here's row 1. So if you see a D, you're going to color it blue. B's will be black, of course A's will be green, and C's will be red. So you click in this box, go up to the fill bucket. D's will be blue, so I'm going to choose blue. Now right next to it is another D, so I can grab this little box at the corner and drag it all the way across and copy that into that whole row. I can click on this one and drag it all the way down to those D's. So I don't have to click each cell individually. Here's a B, so I'm going to go up here to the paint bucket and make it black. So I'm going to continue doing that until the whole message is revealed. Oh, that was the wrong one. If I make a mistake, I can click this little back arrow and undo. So I'm right here. I'm going to go to B, which is black. So I'm going to complete this entire grid, filling in the colors corresponding to up here. And once I've done that, it will reveal what the picture is. Then you're going to close this tab and just come back over here and click Turn In, and then your assignment will be completed.